Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Event. And today I'm back with another video. So we are going to see how I make this small hat box arrangement. So let's get started. All right. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you learned something new today. And if you're returning, welcome back. I hope you enjoy learning from me. Anyway, we're going to do this hat box. And, you know, I usually do voiceovers. But because I just have like some time and just talk. So anyway, I get these hat boxes from Floral Supply Syndicate at www.fss.com. I will link it down below. But I'm going to go downtown next week. And I went the other day. But, I went today, but I didn't have time to really look. Shoot, I was trying to get from downtown. But what I like about these, they're a little bit more expensive than the other ones that I use that have the word flower on them. But these come lined. So this is great. Great. So anyway, let's get started. What I do is I line up the line with the line on this. And then, I just put it in there, right? Then I am going to, let's see, add a pink ribbon to the front. Let's make sure this is the back. And I want to add a pink ribbon to the front of it. Let me get some nice scissors. Going to add a little glue here. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna just make me a knot. Right, y'all? And then again, this is really double-sided pink satin ribbon. Just gonna tie us up pretty bow. Right? Let's see. I'm gonna open it so that it is and that's it. I will put a little bit of glue right in there, but it'll be over here. Can you guys see? We're just gonna go that and put that in there. Let's make sure this is to the back. All right. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to use my little knife over here on the side. We're going to cut this, right? And we are just going to stick it right in there. Perfect. Now, because I do want to transport this, we don't want it moving, I am going to add a little to the sides. Let's see how much. I don't want to get anything on the white because that is just not cool. And then let's see, that worked. It's too little on that side, but let's see about this side. I'm gonna jigsaw puzzle again. Hey, we got it. That's gonna work. We're good. Okay. Anyway, we got that together. Awesome. So it's in there pretty good. Look, you guys, I got these flowers from yesterday from one of my wholesalers, and they were horrible. So right now they're in warm water. I'm hoping that they will come back to life. All right. Anyway, we're going to put our 2 beautiful hydrangeas, and we're going to take off these petals because those love to drink up water. And then I'm going to take off some of this because I purchased these from a wholesaler. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to use, I usually use this. I'm not going to use this. We're going to use, it's so much easier for newcomers to use the shears. So this is the front. We're just going to put these in here. I don't even like this because it's like, let's take this off. Just peel it. This one, she's beautiful. And we're just gonna take it off and cut it up about, say, it's about 2-3 inches, I guess, 3. So we're gonna say about 6. Cut it at an angle. And we're gonna put it on the other side. Awesome. Look how pretty this one is. Oh my God, compared to this one. Oh, I'm so mad. Okay, anyway, so now we have our beautiful flowers. You guys, I can't work when it's too much junk around me. So hold on. Okay. So now I have these gorgeous, they're kind of like a cream flower. We're gonna just cut them. About 5, 6. I'm gonna take off these bump petals, and I'm just gonna twirl them open a little bit because I just got them, so they're really, really fresh. And I'm just gonna insert 3 right here. You know what? I'm gonna insert 3. And then I'm gonna go on this side. And we're just gonna add 3 more. And like I said, we'll add 3 more. And it doesn't really matter how, well, it does matter how long you cut them, because I like for them to, and once these bloom, if I had got them yesterday, oh, you guys, these would have been gorgeous. See how in the inside, how it's just, ooh. So just spinning, trying to get them open, because, oh, they would have been just fabulous. Okay, we're going to take those off. We're going to spin it. Spin, spin, spin. Don't do even. Ooh, that one. Ooh, look how pretty that one opened up, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. It almost opened up like a garden rose. Okay, now we have these. I'm just gonna put 2 stems in there just to give it a little bit more of a texture. I'm just gonna put it right here. And we'll put one, let's put one right here. Okay. Now we are going to grab my Lisanthus. And this is where we are going to add a little bit of, well, not a little, but a lot. I want to show this flower, so make sure it's in the and the loveliness. So yeah, we are just and you guys, I didn't want to go to my regular guy. He's kind of like a small mom and pop type of, well, you know what, he used to sell in LA, but he's a smaller mom and pop guy, and he not like Mesh or Milano or Holland Flower. They're more of a larger type of a larger type of company. So I like going to smaller people, and I went to a smaller place called what was this place called? Hold on, I'm sorry you guys, I can't think. Orange County Wholesale Flowers, yes. And the quality, I don't know, I keep getting, I don't like their quality of flowers. I really don't. It is not the best. All right, so now we have that in there. We got a little bit of texture going on, right? So we have the roses, and you know what, I'm going to add in a lighter white flower. I'm just adding 2 of them. They're just a little lighter. They're so pretty, aren't they? They've been blooming for a week now, so they're like gorgeous. But something I would not suggest, because see how this is not, this hydrangea is so loose. She's gonna work my nerves, but I'm just gonna, it is. Ooh, I love pretty roses. Hope you guys do too. Look. Just gonna put that in right there. Look, it kind of, see how it made that hydrangea kind of close up. Now, I did forget one thing. We are adding these beautiful Siberian mini orchids to add in the pink. I want to bring this up just a little. Okay, we're going to add in some of these minis. Now with these, they are on, unfortunately, they are not on any kind of, let's see, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So they're not on any kind of, so we need a water pick. Let's see. So I'm back with some water picks, and I don't have any long ones, but we're just going to use these short ones. All you do is just fill them up with water. Fill them up with water. So there's water in there. We're just going to insert lovely in here, and then we're going to, the ones I can put in, we are going to see if we could put it all, put it into the foam, but I'm probably not going to be able to. But you guys, I don't think anybody's going to be tossing this anywhere to where anybody's going to be tossing it anywhere, so we'll just put it. Oop. Look. So pretty. So 2 more. I think I'm gonna put him right here because this is the front. I don't want to touch the white too much because what happens is it'll bruise and we don't want any bruising. Let's see, maybe we'll stick him right here. Nope, we're gonna put it where I had originally said. I'm gonna put it right there. Nope, I'm not liking that. It looks like a tic-tac-toe. So we're gonna keep it right there. And I think I'll put another one. Let's see, maybe right here. I'll cluster 3. So this is our high-end mini flower arrangement. We sell this for around $79. It is a really big hit during during Mother's Day. So this is basically the legits to everything. Really simple, really pretty, really, as you guys can see, really easy to make. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm cleaning up while I'm talking to you guys. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and you'll see more pictures of it as I take pictures in a second. But thank you for watching. Bye.